The other day I randomly came across this Grogu perler bead kit on Amazon and I was immediately suckered in. The final product honestly looks so impressive and I knew I just had to make it and film the process. The kit comes with all of the beads and the colors that you'll need with a template and tweezers. I don't actually think I've ever done a perler bead project in my life, which means I didn't have any of the pegboard tiles that you need, so I ended up resin printing a bunch to use. Yeah, I hope you enjoy seeing the time-lapse process of creating Baby Yoda out of beads.